Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create amazing fantasy art in Photoshop. So let's begin the tutorial. First, I select this stone image. So I'm going with quick selection tool and simply select this one. This one is the fastest process to select anything. So I simply select this one and I open my new document and simply drag and drop this one. Place this one like this. Okay, the first image is placed, and second image, this landscape image. You can download all these images from my website, and the website link is given in description box. So simply drag and drop this one. So this one is placed, and third one, I'm going to take a sky image. So this sky image is perfect for my work. So I simply take this one and drag and drop this one into my new document. Okay, and take a mask layer, go to brush and apply this. Make foreground color black, make opacity 100%, then apply this. So this one is done, and next I just adjust the color of this sky image. So go to adjustment layer, select color balance and simply click on clipping mask and adjust this one. So this one is perfectly placed and it's look almost original. And our next work, we just merge this both layer. This one is merged. Make duplicate this one and go to filter, and this time select blower and gaseous blower. Then press OK. So this one is placed. Next I'm going to select this whale image. So this one is AI generated image, and you can also get this image in my website. So simply adjust this one like this. I think this one is perfect place. Okay, go to filter, camera raw and make little bit adjustments. Okay, so this one is adjust and select this layer also, and this time I'm going to place this model. Okay, so this one is placed, and next I take a brush, then I'm going to take a blank layer, go to brush and select cloud brush. So where it is, so these are the cloud brush. I simply select this one and make foreground color white and apply this, and decrease the size of your brush by using bracket key and apply this. Opacity make 100%. Take a mask layer, sorry, this time Again take a blank layer and increase the size of this brush and apply this. Okay, and take a mask layer, go to brush, and this time select a simple brush or simple round brush. Decrease the size of your brush, make foreground color black, opacity 100%, and remove this area. And again take another blank layer and select this cloud brush, and this time I'm going to apply on this area. Okay, and so this one look amazing and so fantasy. Select this girl image, take a blank layer, go to brush, and this time select a soft brush, Ctrl plus, make opacity 17% or 15% and apply on this area. Select this girl image and go to adjustment layer, select curves, clipping mask, and apply this. Make this one little bit darker. Okay, so this one is done. Again open this whale image, place this one, and this time I'm going to make this one little bit smaller. Okay, and go to levels, sorry, not levels, go to this time exposure, clipping mask, okay, so this one is done. So my friend, I'm going to add more images. For example, this one, this lamp image. So I just select this one first and simply drag and drop this one into my new document. So this one is placed. Okay, so this one, is perfectly placed, and I'm going to add a lens flare. Control minus, and go to blending mode and simply apply screening. So this one is placed perfectly, and next I'm going to add little bit light on my girl image. So just take a blank layer, right click, convert to a smart object, go to linear dodged and select solid color, and first create clipping mask, go to solid color and simply apply this. Linear dodged and make this, I think this one is perfect color. Right click, go to blending option, hold alt key and adjust this one like this and press Ctrl I. First click on mask layer and press Ctrl I, then zoom your image and go to your brush tool, make opacity 100% and make foreground color white and apply on these areas. Make opacity 31% and apply this. Do the same thing with this one. Make opacity 100% and make your model more brighter. So this one is done. So my friend, our work is almost completed. Okay, and next I'm going to take a blank layer, go to brush, make opacity 11%, foreground color black, and adjust the size of your brush and apply on this area, this black brush. Okay, then merge the whole work. Then just select this lamp image and go to mask layer, brush, remove this area, just Ctrl plus and remove this area. Okay, then take a blank layer and opacity make this time 30%, increase the size of your brush and make a shadow. So my friend, the work is almost done and this is our final touch. So I'm going to merge the complete work into one layer. So just hold Shift Ctrl Alt plus E, right click and convert to a smart object, go to filter and select camera raw filter and its start adjustment. So my friend, the work is done. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new tutorial. Goodbye.